Okay, so congratulations on your award, sir. How are you feeling?
Actually, really excited. It's a great platform for us. It's a really great platform for us. We can present our skill and we get recognized.
Okay, so can you please briefly introduce yourself and your role in your design and architect?
This is Sharik Bakhtiar. Basically, I'm project head of the company. So we perform all the operational parts in the business.
So, what inspires your design approach and how would you describe your design philosophy?
Design approach is like we just get connected to our clients. Their basic requirement is our like priority, and then what is our second priority is like to fit that requirement and that beautified work in their budget.
Okay, so what are some common challenges you face in your work and how do you typically address them?
Challenges is like going to the clients or expect what we don't miss out, and sometimes what the project's requirement and the design's requirement they have and what the client exactly they want, they sometimes be a clash in between them, so we have to make them convinced that to apply the design and theme exactly what they want. We have to go with the flow and the design's requirement as well.
Okay, so how do you foster innovation and creativity in your design process?
Definitely, what we do is like we have inspirations from the international designers as well. Other than that, we like to club the Indian touch in it so that it can be really we can make it glorified as well.
Okay, so what are some common challenges that you face in your work and how do you? Okay, just a second. I have asked this already. No? So, what are some common challenges that you face in your work and how would you typically address them?
The common challenge is like after giving the quotations, what the clients when they finalize the thing, the prices of the contract and the hikes of the prices and the cost gets increased, and after that like it we have to bear this thing. This is the challenge which we face. Like the difference between the actual contract assigned and the contract takes place starts this gap.
Okay, okay. And what emerging trends do you see shaping the future
I
of?
see lots of potential designers and architects in the field, which you can say they are very skillful, they work hard, and what I can see is like the people, the middle class, the upper class, and the higher class, all the people are now moving toward a decorative home. A home which is beautified, has been done by professional architects and interiors. This is the best part which is making our field going to a boom in the next few decades.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. It was great having